Wondering the easiest way to shoot real estate video? Stay tuned, watch the entire video, and I will share with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Also hit that bell to be notified every time I post a new video on social media for real estate agents. I myself have been making videos for years, some professionally, like what you're watching right now, and some with just on my phone, and I've got a ton of traction from my videos, so let me share some of those tips with you. Step number one, hire a professional like Photo Guy, and that is it. Thanks for watching today's video. It has been a slice. Nah, just kidding. There's more to it than just that. Yes, you can do some professional. It makes it somewhat easier in a way because they have the know-how how to have my face positioned and, you know, like where to have, yeah, see how he could follow me there? He's such a professional. Yep, get back over here. I'm over here. Over here. Yeah, there I am. There we go. So yes, you can hire one of them professional things, or you can do or you can do it yourself. So my main point to this video is it doesn't have to be professional. It's more about the value that you provide. So while my YouTube videos are done professionally, if you look back, there's actually some that aren't, and going forward I may do some myself as well because Photo Guy might be busy and I might have to do some myself. But it's not about the quality, it's more about the value you provide. So most of you are going to watch my YouTube videos about the value I provide you versus the quality it is. Now obviously if I've got my thumb in front of my lens when I'm filming, or I've got my hand here so you can't even hear the audio, that's not going to work either. You still need to have it to a quality where people can actually watch it, but it doesn't have to have this huge production. It doesn't need all the lights and any lighting in the back or anything like that. Sometimes all it takes is just if you have maybe a window in front of you, your camera, and so have a well-lit room, and that's all you need. And again, it's just about the value that you provide. So whether you're doing a community profile, restaurant review, any of those collaborations where you're doing an interview, all those I do with just this. It's all I use, and I still get just as much traction because again, it's just about the value I'm providing. People want to share it, and they want to see about the community. The people that I'm interviewing want to share it, and therefore I find too many people get caught up on saying, oh, my video has to be perfect and I have to say just the right thing. Again, it's all about your personality, so don't get caught up in that. Don't think you have to spend thousands of dollars to do this stuff. You can start with just something as simple as this. You could use the camera on your computer. You could use your iPad. Or these things really, even Photo Guy will tell you, have such amazing cameras on them compared to what they used to. So when I take a video on this, it can be 4K quality on my iPhone, and I know lots of the Androids have the same capability as well. So it's still going to be amazing quality. The sound is fine. It's all that you need, as long as again you're not standing 20 yards away and trying to speak to it where it's not going to pick up your voice. You're just filming like this, well actually maybe like this if you're doing it for some of these platforms. It's going to pick you up perfectly, you're going to have good quality, and you're going to be able to get your message across no problem. So if you are going to be doing some professional, great. If you want to do some on your own, keep watching. I'm just going to share a couple tips with you on how to make it look maybe just a slight bit better than what your competition's doing. What do you, or what would you be using to record your videos? Comment below and let me know. All right, tips time. I said I'd give you a few tips, so I've got them all written down here, which Photo Guy gave me. He wrote them out, and now I'll just read them. Yeah, using his tips, right. So anyway, I've got, this is the older style DJI Osmo. It's, I think, the first one actually, and I still use this one quite a bit. It's simple, easy to use. We do have the newer one as well. It's the OM4. Up over here somewhere, there's a video. You can actually watch that video to give you an idea on that one. And now there's an OM5 where it's got like a long selfie stick that you can use it. So really cool stuff from DJI. And yeah, this one just, if you want those kind of cool transitions, cool shots, and it just makes it really smooth, that's what this guy's for. So it takes kind of the shake out of it. It's awesome. When I'm doing interviews with other people, I've got this do-to-me dab thing. I just basically set it here, my phone goes in here, So it's really easy to clip your phone in there. And then if you do need some extra sound, you've got this mic. I just have this adapter on it that plugs into the bottom of my phone. Plug that in and you can do regular video, just standing like this, and don't have to worry about having somebody hold it or anything. It collapses, and yeah, I don't need an extra hand. So if I'm doing any of the interviews, I just bring this with me. Usually I don't use the mic too much because on my phone, with the new iPhones, I actually have a really good microphone. But if you do find you need that extra bit of power, you can get something like this. It's the Rode mic, and you can find those again anywhere. One other thing I forgot to mention with this stand is this does go this way or that way, and as you can see, it does have the attachment for the microphone as well, so you can have it portrait, landscape. Yeah, that makes it really easy. That way you don't have to have any of these, this guy over here, the photo guy, if you need to do some of your own videos. And again, like I said before, don't overthink it. Don't think you need a ton of stuff. The biggest thing is just to start. A lot of people get held up on the equipment that they need, and they just never start because they're like, oh, I don't have that. I'll start video when I have that, and they'll get that, and then maybe they'll be like, oh, but now I need this, and they just won't start. If I could give you any advice, just turning this off here, just start with this thing, and just start with your hand, and just start taking video, whether it's on stories on Instagram, whatever. That's all you need to do. Don't make a big production out of it. But if you do want some of these inexpensive tools to help you, then yeah, go for it. These work awesome, and it helps you to really do a lot more with your video. Also, when you are doing this stuff, if you have something like this, just try to remember to frame it half decently if you can. So when you have your camera like this, try to make your lines so you can bring up your grid on your iPhone and you can actually see those lines, and try to have it straight with the horizon. So where the horizon is, kind of have those lines so they are straight. That way you're not like this and the video doesn't look as good. Have it straight. And then also when you do see those lines, there's a thing, it's called the rule of thirds. I don't know, photo guy told me about it again, but basically when you are filming, oh, you want my camera, okay. Hold on, let's show you here. So if I have my camera up right now and I put it on video, you'll see these squares in there, and you want to have your face basically filmed on, has he got it in there? Yeah, right there, right where he has it. That's where you want to have yourself filming and have it straight. Is that basically you can see the screen is divided into thirds, so kind of have it in those where the crosshairs cross. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, so that's what you want to do, and that's pretty much it. That's a couple quick, easy tips. Again, with your sound, make sure you're not too far away. Have fun with it. I know you can do this. Make some videos. If you want, send them my way. I'll have a photo guy critique them for you because I probably don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, don't overthink it. Just start shooting and create some videos. If you're wanting to shoot some more videos but you're looking for some ideas, I've got you covered. You're going to want to click on the link in my description below, and in there I have my free guide of a bunch of video marketing ideas for real estate agents. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my other videos that I've done on tips for real estate agents, and please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this with your fellow realtor friends. See ya.